In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send your first email campaign in Constant Contact. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's walk through the complete journey. Signing in, setting up your account details, organizing your contacts, building an email with the drag and drop editor, sending or scheduling it, and finally checking your results so you know what worked. First, sign in to your Constant Contact account from the homepage. Use your usual login details and land on the dashboard. If you haven't been in for a while, take a moment to look around so you know where email, contacts, and reporting live. This quick orientation makes everything else faster. Next, set up your account and business information. Add your business name, website, and physical address so your emails display proper sender details and meet compliance requirements. Upload your logo and confirm your time zone so scheduling is accurate. Choose a default from name and a professional reply address that recipients will recognize. These small choices build trust and improve deliverability. Now, add your contacts into lists. Lists help you keep audiences organized by interest, life cycle stage, or source. Import a CSV file if you already have one, or paste in contacts if you only have a few. As you import, tidy up columns like first name and email so personalization works later. Remove duplicates and only add people who've given permission to be contacted. Consider creating separate lists, like newsletter customers or event attendees, so each message goes to the right group. With your audience ready, build your email campaign using the drag and drop editor. Start from a template that matches your goal, newsletter, announcement, or promotion, and swap in your brand colors and logo. Drag in text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers to structure your message. Keep your headline clear, your body copy concise, and your call to action obvious. Add alt text to images and make buttons large and readable. Use simple personalization like inserting a first name where appropriate. Preview your email on desktop and mobile and use the built-in test send to see how it looks in your inbox. When everything looks good, choose send or schedule. Select the list or lists you created, write a compelling subject line and pre-header, confirm the from name and reply address, and decide whether to send now or set a future date and time. Pick a time that aligns with your audience's schedule. After it's delivered, check reports to see how the campaign performed. Review opens, clicks, bounces, and unsubscribes. Look at which links got the most engagement and which audience segments responded best. Use these insights to refine your next subject line, content, and send time. That's the full process. Simple, repeatable, and ready to scale.